Today we will learn 고 싶다 grammar. This grammar expresses the wish or hope. 고 싶다 means want to do something or would like to do something. Okay, how to use this grammar? Verb stem plus 고 싶다. 자다 means to sleep. 자 is verb stem. 자 plus 고 싶다, 자고 싶다. I want to sleep. 고 싶다, present tense is 고 싶어요. Let's see more examples. 운동하다. 운동하다 means to exercise. We remove 다, 운동하 plus 고 싶어요, 운동하고 싶어요. I want to exercise. Okay, how about this one? 입고 싶어요. I want to wear. There is no difference. The subject of 고 싶다 should be I or you. But when the subject is third person, 고 싶어 하다 should be used. 고 싶어 하다 present tense is 고 싶어 해요. Let's see some sentences. 저는 배우가 되고 싶어요. I want to be an actor. 고 싶어요 used in this sentence because the subject of this sentence is 저 means I. 되다 means to become. We drop 다. 돼 plus 고 싶어요, 되고 싶어요. 제 친구는 김밥을 먹고 싶어 해요. My friend wants to eat kimbap. The subject of this sentence is 제 친구, means my friend. And my friend is third person. So we used 고 싶어 해요. 먹다 means to eat. 먹 plus 고 싶어 해요, 먹고 싶어 해요. Okay guys, that was another grammar video. Thank you for watching.